breaking in the UCO Flatpack Fire Pit and Grill. It's pretty cool. I don't even have the thing all the way filled up. And it's putting off a fair amount of heat. It folds flat in this little pack. Here, I'll set it right here. And it comes with a grill. Check that out. Well, you can see the grill. It just slides on top there. I'm not going to put it on. I didn't really get it to cook for, or to cook with, mainly as a fire pit. Well, I'm not hiking. Like now. I'm out at this lake in central Pennsylvania. Just did a little hiking. Thought I'd stop here, sit and warm my hands. Anyway, it's a quick look at the UCO Flatpack Grill. I think you can get it on Amazon for $39.99. Free shipping over $25. And this was a gift, and I'm enjoying it.